Thanks, Tom. Good evening. I'm Adriana, and this is Channel 8 News. Our breaking story today, COVID-19, coronavirus. What we do know are the symptoms and how it can be spread. This virus is commonly spread through sneezing and coughing. Scientists are working day and night developing a vaccine. So, let's practice social distancing so that you, me, and everyone can get rid of this virus together.
No, don't sneeze.
Look, man, that's ridiculous. See, just because you sneeze don't mean the coronavirus gonna get you. It's not that serious. Look, I done sneezed plenty of times before. See, I told you coronavirus ain't gonna get